upcoming Amapiano sensation Scott Maphuma is currently hot topic as fans voice frustration with the artist after a video of him ill-treating a fan recently surfaced. After taking Mzansi and the world by storm as a breath of fresh air in the Amapiano space with his consecutive bangers and now popular tag Batini Boa. So this young fellow, 29-year-old, the youngster, is in hot water after he failed to show gratitude and appreciation to a fan who gifted him a portrait that they had made for the artist. When stumbling on the short clip, fans and spectators have expressed their disappointment in Wishy hitmaker, lack of humility and overall decorum. They believe that even if he did not like the art piece, showing appreciation to a fan who took time out in their day to show admiration to him would have been the best course of action as an artist. Some disgruntled fan responded to that clip and says, "There's nothing more despicable than an ungrateful person. He didn't have to do all of that. He could have stored it away and moved on." He's talking about that picture. But fans, they continued to express their eagerness to witness the downfall of the upcoming artist, as his actions has left a bitter taste in their mouths. However, some fans have come out to defend him, citing his previous encounters with fans where he showed some love and appreciation. Let's take a look at this. I think and believe it is too soon to write him off or even cancel him or wish for his downfall. I think what we should pray for is for some guidance, to have someone matured by his side. And I think lately he actually, I think, went to Instagram and penned a message where he said he wanted some space. But I think in that he could have at least started by thanking his fans and supporters, and then explain why he was not okay.
If I take one picture with you, I have to take a picture with that guy, with that lady, with that what. Then my time, and then Kausali, who's not professional. Scott to fit late, kodi kiki. So people, I don't care. Like if I can yak, you just snap at yak, and I if I can yak, I don't feel like it.
And you know they don't understand. They don't understand that. If we tell
how na mutu on killing for the fiction mo killing thing fanda, and how na mutu tong samo killing thing, killing more fanda. So I don't think I owe it to them. I don't owe it to it. I don't think any celebrity owes anyone.
But whenever they feel entitled.
That's the problem. It's their problem. Like, if it's not my problem, it's not my problem. If not I don't have time for it.
I think he should be given some time to reflect and to find himself, because his fans, they want him and he wants some space, so he needs to decide on what he wants to be or what he wants most. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Until the next update, bye.